Why is house cleaning stressing you out?
To be honest with you, I'm worn out these days. On a regular basis, I go to work from 9 to 5 and I come home and I have to clean up my kids and my pet and I have to do all the cooking and cleaning. The last vacuum that I had drove me completely crazy. And when I'm doing my chores, I like no brain work. So I was always turning it on max mode. And by the time I finished the first room, it was dead. Not to mention how loud it was. My children would be sleeping and it'd wake them up. It'd even give me a headache.
Now see the difference with Tineco Pure One S12, the smart cordless vacuum cleaner. From a functional device to an intelligent one, Pure One S12 has pioneered vacuum technology and solved consumer pain points for most vacuum cleaners, allowing for smarter, deeper, quieter, and longer cleans.
The first time I met Pure One S12, and I'm absolutely hooked. It's so well designed, chic, and techy. The materials are solid too. It feels pretty handy. The suction power is awesome, and the battery is so impressive too. The AI-powered technology really makes cleaning a no-brainer. Strange as it may seem, I think I started to enjoy vacuuming with the Pure One S12.
Smart vacuum cleaners are the future trends for all households. With only one trigger to activate, Pure One S12 requires an easy and convenient setup. The built-in eye-loop sensor detects dust amount and optimizes suction power accordingly in real time, enables a truly effortless cleaning experience.
It does all the job for me. I've never seen a vacuum cleaner do that before. The only thing I need to do is hold it and walk around, and Pure One is taking care of all the rest. What's more amazing is that the LED display tells me how much dirt it is on there and where I'm cleaning, especially for the mattress and the couch, which might appear to be pretty clean, but actually it's hidden full of dust. Pure One finds them all and adjusts the suction power to the point that's just enough to suck them all in without wasting any battery life. With other vacuum cleaners, I had to use max mode everywhere, which is not only a waste of power, but it also damages the fabric. This is a really cool feature. It saves me time and sweat.
The innovative intelligent sensor technology captures hidden dirt as small as 15 micrometers. Along with the vacuum's powerful motor and 4-stage filtration system, Pure One achieves a best-in-class 99.99% cleaning efficiency, successfully avoids secondary pollution, and creates a healthy home environment.
Actually, what I like most about Pure One is that the suction power is incredibly strong. Believe it or not, I don't even need to look back to the place I've cleaned. I know I never leave dirt behind, and that feels superb.
The muscular 500-watt digital motor provides a max suction of 150 air watts, giving it more than enough power to pull in embedded dirt deep in your carpets and larger particles on all flooring types. Plus, it has a direct drive LED-powered brush to really pick up any trace of debris. In fact, this model is 87% more powerful than its predecessor.
Originally, I thought a cordless vacuum with such power would run out of battery real quick, but with Pure One, it isn't the case. The intelligent battery management system optimizes energy consumption based on the dust amount. It lowers down suction and saves battery when there isn't too much dirt. It comes with 2 detachable batteries, which you can easily charge at the same time on the wall mount. I once used it to vacuum my entire house and I still had 30% battery left. Finally, I don't need to clean one room and then charge it and wait until I clean the next room.
The intelligent battery management system allows the product to independently adjust the energy consumption with up to 100 minutes of battery life, achieving a breakthrough in the industry and meeting every household's needs. With proprietary powered rinse-free filter cleaning tool, consumers only need to turn on the trigger and the filter will clean itself and turns off automatically, ensuring persistent suction power and device durability over time.
In the beginning, I didn't know I had to clean the pre-filters, and I think the filter was blocked one time. Thanks to the Tineco app, which alarmed me that there was a blockage and told me how to solve it. After that, it also reminds me to clean my filters regularly so it doesn't get blocked again. Super convenient. To be honest, I haven't even read the manual.
Lastly, the Tineco app allows you to monitor your vacuum's work logs, receive regular reminders, and track cleaning records on cloud. Plus, if any issues arise, consumers can watch troubleshooting videos and contact customer support directly through the app. And if any major issue comes up, the Pure One comes with a 2-year warranty. Tineco stands behind all their products and is committed to excellent customer service, leaving no worries behind.
It's truly a blessing to see a smart cordless vacuum cleaner with so many good features. What matters the most for a working mom like me is that it's easy and convenient and really helpful. And Pure One does the job. I only need to push the trigger and everything else is on him. Leaves no trouble behind. It's also a lot quieter than any other vacuum. Pure One has really fascinated me and even my kids. Now cleaning has become a pleasure for my entire family.
Tineco. Live easy, enjoy life.